Is Instagram hiding hashtags because of the US election? Yes and no. So if you've noticed today, as of what is today, the 29th of October, you go to Instagram, you look at a hashtag, there is a warning across the top that says recent hashtags are being hidden until after the election. So everyone freaked out and said they're hiding hashtags. But there's results in the hashtags. And if you look, some of them are from very recently, like within the last hour or two. So content is still showing up in the hashtags. Don't stop using them. What I believe Instagram is doing, I don't have this for proof, I don't know what exactly, but my understanding from what I can see is that Instagram is choosing to hide the recent tab. When you go to a hashtag, there's top and there's recent. They're hiding recent because recent is chronological. Chronologically, people can throw up anything they want that can be offensive, misleading, inappropriate, and there's no control over it. So what I believe Instagram is doing is removing the recent tab. That means only top performing content is going to show up in each and every hashtag search result. So if you're performing well, if your content is doing well and it would rank for that hashtag, my belief is that the Instagram robots, the API, all the things in the background, all the artificial intelligence is looking at these things and saying, okay, that's safe, that's okay, we'll still put it up in the hashtag result. They're going to filter and sort for things that could be misleading, offensive, harassing, any of those sorts of inappropriate type content that are likely to be going on in the next week leading up to the election. So they are basically scanning the content, looking to what is going to go in those top performing hashtags. If you're using something really popular, it's going to be harder to get in there. If you continue to use Jenn's super secret recipe that she tells everybody, I will link to that video in or below this video in the comments or a caption below this video so you can see that strategy. That will still work to get you exposure, especially in those smaller hashtags. You don't need to abandon your hashtag strategy over the next week. You can still create content. You can still show up. I promise you, it's still going to work. And worst case, if it didn't work for a week, it's a week, people. We'll be back to normal after the election and being able to create content as expected using the same strategies that you've used up to this point. So don't freak out. Stop messaging me, watch this video, and share it instead. Please and thank you. Share this video to help get the right information out there and calm down the masses who are freaking out about hashtags being shut down. They are not being shut down. They're still content. They've just removed the recent tabs to better control the content that is out there.